today. Like, I'm starving. What am I gonna eat? Oh, I know exactly what I'm gonna go make. So I'm thinking about making a delicious lunch, but I wanna add a specific kind of sea moss. Can't use those two, but this one I can. It really has no taste. It just tastes like sea moss. So it's easy where it just mixes in. You don't have to tell anybody or your loved ones that you're adding sea moss. They're just gonna reap all the benefits from it. You can add it into anything, soups, all types of food. They won't even notice the difference. And of course, you know I love my Jambr. Just mix it in. It mixes super, super easy. And voila. And here's a delicious, nutritious lunch that took me no time to make. Ground turkey with added sea moss, string beans, and avocado. And now for the taste test.